Hey friends! Keep your car's interior looking brand new with these powerful and portable vacuum cleaners designed for ultimate deep cleaning convenience. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car vacuum cleaners in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Dustix Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This unit serves as a highly efficient and streamlined solution for those who require consistent interior maintenance without the bulk of traditional machinery. Engineered to provide a robust 12,000 pascals of suction, it makes short work of the daily grit, crumbs, and fine dust that tend to accumulate on floor mats and between seat cushions. The integration of a dual-speed motor allows you to intelligently manage your cleaning power, utilizing a lower setting for delicate electronics and a high-performance mode for heavier debris. Because it is completely cordless and exceptionally lightweight, you can navigate the entire cabin of your vehicle with total freedom, reaching into the deepest trunk corners without struggling against a tangled power cord. The internal 4000 mAh battery is optimized for steady discharge, ensuring that your cleaning sessions aren't cut short by premature power loss. Maintenance is equally stress-free, featuring a washable HEPA filter that effectively traps microscopic allergens and is easily rinsed under a tap for repeated use. This vacuum is the perfect marriage of simplicity and strength, offering just enough power for routine detailing while remaining small enough to store in a door pocket or a glove compartment for immediate access. Next up, our second product, the Yoyoto Handheld Car Vacuum. If you are looking for professional-grade detailing power in a handheld form factor, this device delivers a staggering 21 kilopascals of suction through its high-speed 150,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor. It isn't just a vacuum. It is a comprehensive 4-in-1 maintenance tool that can inflate tires, blow away dust from vents, and even vacuum seal storage bags for your road trip gear. The versatility of this model is truly unmatched, coming standard with 9 specialized attachments that ensure you can clean every obscure crevice, from keyboard keys to engine bay corners. We were impressed by the dual filtration system, which pairs a stainless steel mesh with a high-efficiency HEPA filter to capture 99.97% of fine particles, keeping your car's air as clean as its surfaces. The Type-C fast charging capability means you can bring the battery back to full strength in just 2 hours, while the low-power mode provides up to 45 minutes of sustained operation. This model is ideal for the meticulous car owner who wants a single, powerful gadget that handles everything from deep carpet extraction to inflating a beach ball during a weekend getaway. It represents a significant leap forward in portable motor technology, providing industrial-strength performance in a sleek, ergonomic chassis that is built to last. Coming in at number 3, the Fantech Slim Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. This premium V10 Apex model is the ultimate choice for tech-forward drivers, featuring a sophisticated HD smart digital display that provides real-time feedback on your operating mode and battery percentage. While it is incredibly compact and lightweight at just 1.1 pounds, it punches far above its weight class with a high-mode suction of 19,000 pascals powered by a 120W brushless motor. The 4-in-1 functionality makes it a versatile companion for the office and home as well, allowing you to blow dust out of delicate electronics or inflate air mattresses with the included accessories. It includes 10 distinct practical attachments designed to handle everything from stubborn pet hair on upholstery to the tightest gaps in your dashboard's vents. The smart LED ring interface gives the device a futuristic feel while providing practical information at a glance, so you always know exactly how much runtime you have left. Cleaning the device is just as advanced, with a one-button dust disposal system that allows you to empty the bin without ever getting your hands dirty. Its refined design and powerful motor make it a standout for quick, focused cleaning sessions where precision and portability are the top priorities for a busy, modern lifestyle. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the A9 Life Handheld Car Vacuum. For those who prioritize extreme portability above all else, this featherlight vacuum weighs only 0.72 pounds, making it one of the easiest cleaning tools to handle for extended periods. It offers a minimalist, cordless design that is perfect for one-handed use, allowing you to quickly snag crumbs or pet hair the moment you see them. Despite its tiny footprint, it features both Eco and Max modes to provide the right level of suction for various surfaces, from smooth leather seats to textured floor mats. The specialized rubber blow nozzle is a unique addition, providing a directed stream of air that is perfect for dislodging debris from hard-to-reach vents or computer keyboards. With a 30-minute runtime and fast USB-C charging, it remains ready for action throughout your daily commute or office hours without needing constant attention. The HEPA filtration ensures that the dust you pick up stays inside the vacuum, protecting your respiratory health by preventing fine particulates from being exhausted back into the cabin. This is the ideal tool for the neat freak who wants a discreet, high-performing vacuum that can be tucked away anywhere and used instantly whenever a small mess occurs. It simplifies the cleaning process by removing the weight and bulk of traditional handhelds while maintaining surprisingly effective suction for all your daily needs. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Surputs Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This 4-in-1 cleaning powerhouse is a rugged and reliable all-rounder, offering a balanced combination of 18,000 pascals suction and a high-capacity 6,000 mAh battery for extended cleaning sessions. The 120W brushless motor is designed for durability and consistent output, making it highly effective at removing embedded sand and pet hair from thick vehicle carpeting. Its large 400 ml dust cup is a major advantage, allowing you to clean the entire interior of a large SUV without having to stop and empty the bin multiple times. Like our other top picks, it features multitasking capabilities including blowing and inflating, which are supported by a comprehensive set of nozzles that reach every difficult corner of your home or car. The real-time LED battery display keeps you informed of your remaining power, while the fast Type-C charging ensures you are never without your cleaning assistant for long. At 1.3 pounds, it feels substantial and well built in the hand, yet it remains perfectly balanced for easy maneuvering around pedals and under seats. The detachable bin and washable HEPA filter make long-term maintenance incredibly hygienic and cost-effective, ensuring the vacuum maintains its high performance for years of regular use. It is a dependable, high-capacity tool that bridges the gap between light-duty handhelds and heavy-duty shop vacs with ease. Thanks for. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.